Hey friends, are you ready to make cute clay creations with me? Yay! Today I'll show you easy, squishy, air-dry clay ideas you'll love. Let's start by setting up our craft spot. Put down paper, put down a placemat, roll up sleeves, and use soft, non-toxic air-dry clay. Grown up, please stay nearby and help. First, warm the clay. Squish, press, and pat. Can you make a ball? Nice. Now a long snake? Slow and gentle. Great job. Project 1. A happy turtle. Make one big ball for the shell. Press it flat like a pancake. Roll 4 little chunky legs. Roll a head. Roll a tiny tail. Press them on the shell. Use a safe craft stick or a spoon to make shell lines. Tap tap, not too hard. Add 2 tiny dots for eyes. Hello, turtle? Project 2. Star cookie shapes. Press your clay flat with your hands or a cup. Push a big cookie cutter. Star. Push a big cookie cutter. Heart. Push a big cookie cutter. Circle. Peel it up. Smooth the edges with your finger. You can press buttons, leaves, or a fork to make fun textures. Beautiful. Project 3. A rainbow. Roll a red short snake. Roll an orange short snake. Roll a yellow short snake. Roll a green short snake. Roll a blue short snake, or any colors you like. Bend them into an arch. Press them together gently, side by side. Add 2 fluffy cloud balls at the ends. So cute. Project 4. A handprint keepsake. Press clay into a big pancake. Place your hand on top. Press down, then lift. Wow. Ask a grown-up to write your name and the date with a stick. Time to dry. Put your creations on a flat plate or tray. Let them sit still for 1 to 2 days. No poking while they dry. After they're dry, you can paint with child-safe paints. Bright colors make them pop. Let's clean up. Put extra clay back in the container. Wipe the table. Wash those hands. You did amazing, little artists. Which one was your favorite? Turtle, star, rainbow, handprint? Tell me. And keep creating every day. Bye for now.